Hello students, this is Preeti Mule, Associate Professor, Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Indore. Today, we will be studying the physiological acid-base balance. The regulation of blood pH. To maintain the blood pH at 7.35 to 7.45, there are three primary systems that regulate the hydrogen ion concentration in the body fluids. These are the buffer system, the respiratory regulation and the renal regulation. Coming to the first one, that is the buffer system. These are the first line of defense against pH change. These react very rapidly within seconds. The buffer systems of the blood, tissue fluids and cells immediately combine with acid or base to prevent excessive changes in the pH. It does not eliminate the hydrogen ions from the body or add them to the body, but only keep them tied up until balance can be re-established. The three major chemical buffer systems are the bicarbonate buffer, the phosphate buffer and the protein buffer. The bicarbonate buffer system, that is the sodium bicarbonate carbonic acid. Bicarbonate buffer is the most important extracellular fluid buffer. Bicarbonate buffer system constitutes sodium bicarbonate and carbonic acid. Carbonic acid dissociates into hydrogen and bicarbonate ions. Under normal circumstances, there is much more bicarbonate present than carbonic acid. The ratio is approximately 20:1. Mechanism of action of bicarbonate buffer. When the pH is rising, the hydrogen ions generated by the metabolism or by ingestion react with bicarbonate base to form more of carbonic acid. And when the pH is falling, the hydrogen ions generated by metabolism or by ingestion react with bicarbonate base to form more of carbonic acid. Importance of the bicarbonate buffer. These are present in high concentration and account for 40 to 50%. They have high alkali reserve. The ratio of bicarbonate to carbonic acid is 20:1. The concentration of component can be regulated by the base constituent bicarbonate, which is regulated by the kidneys, while the acidic component, that is the carbonic acid, which is under respiratory regulation. The phosphate buffer system, which constitutes sodium monophosphate and sodium biphosphate. It is not as important as the blood buffer. It plays a major role in buffering the renal tubular fluid and the intracellular fluid. The normal ratio of sodium monophosphate and sodium biphosphate in plasma is 4:1, and this is kept constant with the help of the kidneys, for which sodium buffer system is directly related to the kidneys. The phosphate buffer system regulates the pH within the cells and the urine. The phosphate concentrations are higher intracellularly and within the kidney tubules. More phosphate ions are in the tubular fluids and they are more powerful than the bicarbonate buffer system. The protein buffer system. In the blood, plasma proteins, especially albumin, act as buffer because it contains a large number of dissociable acidic, that is the carboxylic acid group, and the basic, that is the amino groups. In the acid solution, the amino group accepts excess of hydrogen ions, and in the basic solution, the carboxylic group gives up the hydrogen ions. Other important buffer groups of proteins in the physiological pH range are the imidazole group of histidine. Hemoglobin buffer. The hemoglobin buffers in RBC play an important role in the respiratory regulation of pH. It helps in transporting the metabolically produced carbon dioxide from cell to the lungs for excretion. As hemoglobin releases oxygen, it gains a greater affinity for hydrogen ions. The respiratory mechanism. Respiratory mechanism is called the second line of defense. It is achieved by regulating the concentration of carbonic acid in the blood and the other body fluids by the lungs. The respiratory center regulates the removal or retention of carbon dioxide and thereby carbonic acid from the extracellular fluid by the lungs. Thus, lungs function by maintaining one component, that is carbonic acid, of the bicarbonate buffer. The respiratory control of the pH can be explained by the following flow chart. When the cell production of carbon dioxide increases, carbon dioxide combines with water to form carbonic acid. The carbonic acid breaks down to form the hydrogen ion as well as the HCO3. This HCO3 is responsible for acidosis and the pH drops. Hydrogen ion stimulates the respiratory center in the medulla oblongata, thereby the rate and depth of breathing increases. Because of this, carbon dioxide gets eliminated in the lungs and the pH rises to normal. The renal mechanism. The role of kidneys in the maintenance of acid-base balance of the body is highly significant. The renal mechanism tries to provide a permanent solution to the acid-base disturbances. This is in contrast to the temporary buffering system and a short-term respiratory mechanism. The kidneys regulate the blood pH by maintaining the alkali reserve. The urine pH normally is lower than the blood pH. The pH of the urine is normally acidic. That is 6. This clearly indicates that the kidneys have contributed to the acidification of urine when it is formed from the blood plasma whose pH is 7.4. In other words, the hydrogen ions generated in the body in the normal circumstances are eliminated by acidified urine. Hence, the pH of the urine is normally acidic while that of the blood is alkaline, that is 7.4. Urine pH, however, is variable and may range from 4.5 to 9.5 depending on the concentration of the hydrogen ions. The renal mechanism of the acid-base balance is achieved by excretion of hydrogen ions, reabsorption of bicarbonate, excretion of titratable acid and excretion of the ammonium ions. Thank you.